Hey, this is Byron. Today is February 1st, and today is Saturday, so the stock market is closed. Let's get straight to business. I want to teach you some things about the stock market. Okay? Look at my eyes. Okay? First thing is when you get an online brokerage account, you want to get a company that has margins. And what that means is they will give you, say if you put 5,000 in, they probably give you another 5 or 10,000 just to keep your money. But that money they given to you is buying power for purchasing more stock because they don't want to lose your money. So you want to find an online brokerage company that has margins. That's the first thing you want to ask them. When you get the online brokerage company, you want to see if they got margins and see if they charging a fee. There's a lot of brokerage companies don't charge anything extra, and that's the kind of companies you want. So ask them. The first thing you want to ask them is, do you have margins? The second thing is, do you charge anything? These are some helpful hints before you get into the stock market, because the stock market is the greatest wealth institution in history. It's the greatest. It really is. For the last 100 years, the stock market has been going up at least 10%. At least 10%. Let that sink in your head. So, but if you know what you're doing. See, it could be the opposite if you don't know what you're doing. Because at 20 years old, I started in the stock market. I lost my butt off. Yes, I did. I lost my butt off. I'm not ashamed to admit it. Because I didn't know the correct way to buy stock. But now I do. And my last 14 out of 15 picks, I'm not bragging, I'm very humble, thank the Lord, it's been correct. And I made a lot of money for a lot of families. A matter of fact, about a month ago, I made $31,000 for one person because I told her to buy Tesla. She bought 1,000 shares. It went up 31 points. She made $31,000 off of my pick. And I didn't ask her for a penny. Now, she did offer, and she did send me something anyway, but that's another story. But I made $31,000 for one day for one lady out of my 15 families. The other families made some, and I made something on my own. When I give a pick, I invest in it, and I make money too. So I've been 14 out of 15 correct. I'm a stock master, but I'm very humble. So just an example. But if you know what you're doing, you can make money like that. But there's a dark side to this tutorial or to this video. If you don't know what you're doing, you can lose everything. I mean, literally everything. So if I was you, I would, first of all, if you're making money in the stock market, I stay with it. Whoever's giving you an advice, you're making money or you're making money on your own, that's fine. That's all I want people to do. But if you're not making money in the stock market, let's be honest with yourself, or somebody's giving you stock market picks or advice and you're still not making money, give me a chance. Like I said, I'm 14 out of 15 right. I just picked another stock. It went up. Let me see what the symbol is. I'm looking at the stock market now as we speak. The symbol was LR. The ticker symbol was LRCX. It went up yesterday. And I told everybody it's going to go up. And then I said on Monday or Tuesday, when the stock market opened up, I picked another symbol, which I could give to you now. I don't mind. I'm a very giving person. The ticker symbol is F as in Frank, R as in Robert, M as in Mary, E as in Edward. Okay, the name of the company is First Merchants Corp. You could Google it. Right now it's trading at $44.44 a share. Monday or Tuesday, that stock will go up. Now, the tricky part is once that stock go up 1 or 2 points, sell it. It's going to go up. And when it go up, I'm going to send a short video to remind you, hey, the stock has went up, sell it, because it's a good stock now because it's underpriced. It's a lot of reasons why it's a good stock. That's just one of the reasons. But it could become a bad stock real quick. Like if it go up 8 points on Monday, it's a bad stock because it's overpriced. Take that money and run. You understand what I'm saying? The key to the stock market is buying something that's underpriced. The key to not losing money is sell it before it get overpriced. It's kind of a trick to it, and I'm here to remind you. But the key, you need to subscribe to my videos, so my video will get to you today. Let my video get to you today, so I can give you these picks. I'm getting motivated and excited because I really get into the stock market. To show you I'm not lying, I'm looking at the stock market right now. I like proving myself to people, and I'm looking at the stock market, and yeah, give me a chance, because I can make a lot of money for you and your family if you're not making money in the stock market for yourself. That's what I'm saying. So definitely give me a chance. You can the best way to do it is to leave comments so I can reach you, or you can reach me. Leave comments, definitely. Say, Byron, what's the next stock pick? Stuff like that. When are you going to make the next stock pick? That's, since I've been doing it right, this is easy money for you and your family. Or subscribe to my video. I think it's that little red box in the corner. Yeah, subscribe to my video. Or it might be this corner. I'm not sure. By the way, at the end of the video, my face should pop up, and you can click on that and you can subscribe that way too. Okay? But I just want to make money for you and your family. Like I said, the stock been going for the last 100 years. It's been going up 10%. I'm a short-term investor. That means that I pick a stock. In the next couple of days, it goes up, and I sell it, and I move on to another stock. Every good company is not always a good investment. I'm trying to teach you something. Every good company is not always a good investment. Trust me. One example, say Amazon. I'm just using that off the top of my head. It's a great big company, but it could be overpriced. You could lose money if you go in that direction. There's a technique to this, and I have mastered that technique. That's why they call me the stock master, because I done been through so many ups and downs, valleys and hills. I kind of almost mastered stock. But if you want to make money, subscribe to my video, or send me some comments so I can reach you, or you can reach me, or email me at Byron, BYRON 4053 at hotmail.com. Now, I'm not going to keep talking and stay in your ear too much longer, because I know you're getting tired of looking at this ugly mug of mine. But anyway, you got to ignore the outside noise out there about AI can make trades for you. And if you invest with me in a different company, the next 50 people are free. That don't mean they're going to give you a good pick. It all comes down to making money. So what AI is trading for you? Are they going to pick a good pick where you make money every time? No. I'm 99% right when I make a pick. See, I study that one stock. AI is studying millions of stocks. See, it's a trick to it. I know I'm a black man, and the stock market is like mostly white people do it, but trust me. And I prove myself. Every time I make a pick, I put it on these videos. And then when it go up, I prove it by saying the stock is up. And you can Google all this to double check my work. See, I prove myself. And I'm going to keep on proving myself until this whole world believes in me. I'm going to keep on making good picks. I'm going to get some wrong, but I'm going to try to stay around 90 or 95% right every single time, so I can make money for you and your family. That's my only objective. I'm a giver. I just want to help out people. That's why I'm a caretaker. I drive Uber Eats. I bring food to people's houses. My main profession is stock market. And I just make quality videos where I can help people. But my main focus is the stock market. Yes, it is. And being a caretaker for my father. My father's 90 years old. He cannot see. He cannot walk. So I'm everything to him. So the stock market and my father is everything. I'm 60 years old. I'm retired. I'm making a lot of money off the stock market. And I'm trying to make money for you too. Okay? I want to get into something else. But 3 things you got to remember. I'm trying to teach you some more about the stock market. Don't get greedy, because stock goes up and down. Do not get greedy. If a stock, all of a sudden, the stock I gave you, the FRME, if it goes up 3 or 4 points, sell it. Don't try to think you're going to make more money and more money and more money from it. It don't work that way. It's going to go back down. It's going to go back up again, but it's going to go back down. That's just the way the stock market works. So don't get greedy. Once you make money off of my pick, sell it. Take the money, and the next day or the following day, I have another pick for you. You can make a lot of money off me, but don't get greedy. Timing is everything. When it goes up, that's when you sell it. You buy low, you sell high. Buy low, sell high. That's just the way the stock market is. Ignore the outside noise out there about people trying to get your money. Now, there's certain things in the stock market. Is my last point I'm going to try to help you out here. If you got your online brokerage account, before you buy your stock, say you see a stock that's interesting, say a Walmart. The first thing you want to do is look at the news on Walmart. See why is at that price. Check the volume. See how many people is interested in that particular stock. Why? All of a sudden it's 4 million every day, and all of a sudden it shoots to 40 million. That means a lot of people are interested. It's in a reason. You got to read the news and see why are people watching that stock in particular. Little things like that, little niches you got to look at. There's so much more. I don't want to keep you. Look at the volume. See if it's a dividend stock. If it pays dividend checks. I don't want to get into that, but you can Google that. A dividend is a payout that a company pays you like every 3 months, every quarter. Okay. Look at the history on the stock. See how it's been going the last day, week, year, 5 years. Look at all that before you buy that stock. It's so much you got to look at before you buy it. And this is what I look at. These are some things that I look at. Look at the company overview. Look at they got an overview of the company. See exactly what it's been going through. And the news is the most important thing. See if it's been upgraded. Thing like that. Or been downgraded. Look and see what the analysts say. Do they project the stock to be a strong buy or a sell? If it's a sell, you don't want to be involved in it. Look and see if it's bearish or bullish. I'm trying to give you helpful hints before you buy your stock. This is important to me because I care about you. I don't think about nothing else. That's just the way I am. I go to church every day. I'm religious, and God said if I help out people, I'm gonna help out myself. Simple as that. So I'm trying to help you out. See if it's bullish or bearish. Bullish is good. Bearish is not good. Unless you're an options trader. Options, you can make money off it if it goes down or up. But I'm not that. I'm a short-term investor, and I can make people get rich off of me. Like I said, I got 15 families. I'm trying to get to 20. Then I'm trying to get to 25. Then I'm trying to get to 30. It's unlimited. I'm trying to help out everyone because I done been through so many trials and tribulations when it comes to stock. I feel that all my knowledge that I learned from doing stock, I need to share it. And that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to share all my knowledge when it comes to the stock market. Like I said, leave comments. If I'm missing anything, please leave comments and let me know. Try to help me out. Like I'm trying to help you out. Leave comments to help me out. I think that's pretty much, it's a lot more I got to say, but I'm not going to keep your ear. It's so many important things. Okay. I got another video coming up, about the stock market. It should be in one of these corners popping up here. Some interesting things on there too. So if you get a chance to look at that, please do. But and I'll see you on that video too. If my ugly mug is going to be on there too. But the last thing I want to do is thank you for the views, the subscriptions, people sharing my videos, people liking my videos. I'm 60 years old. I didn't expect all this. I got so many viewers and so many people are really listening to what I have to say. Thank you. I just want to thank you. I really appreciate it from my heart. I'm a very humble person. Thank you for everything, YouTube, for giving me this platform. Thank you, God, for giving me the energy to make this video. I want to thank you guys. I'm going to try to come out with more quality content for you because all I'm trying to do is help you out. I'm making money off of my picks. I want you to make money off my picks too. Thank you. And just thank you. I mean that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.